Hi everybody, this is Bobby the Fan Man here. Here is a 1981 Lasko Galaxy 12-inch table fan. I bought this off eBay in the early March of 2019 for $50. I remember seeing these blue 12-inch table fans a lot growing up. These were a big part of my childhood. These fans take me back to a time where I was happy, and yeah, I was just happy with my life and stuff like that. I'm not so happy anymore, going through a lot, but these fans take me back to a time where it was a good times. You know, good time in the summer, going to school and seeing these fans sitting on the counter or just anywhere that I used to see them, and it just takes me back to a certain time in my childhood where I was not sad like I am now. But yeah, I've been going through a lot lately, and stuff like that. Shit's been happening to me that it's not good. So without further ado, we're gonna start this off on low. I just had it running, so it's pretty warmed up. Here's low. The only thing this fan has is, like, if it has been running for a while, it will run slow. But I've had it running for a while, so I was on live stream on TikTok Live, so that's low. I'm not gonna turn the oscillator on, I don't think, but I possibly could. That's low. Medium. But it runs really good. It's a great running fan. And high. The sounds great too. Sounds really good too. Let's turn the oscillator on. Back up so you can see it. I like that it has the integrated handle on the back grill. That's high. Medium oscillation. And low oscillation. And off. It will blow the pictures, so that's what you hear the knocking in the background. The pictures are blowing because the fan's on. But yeah, because it's sitting on my desk where the pictures are. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe. Bye-bye.